So today students will study direct and inverse proportion. What you will study? Direct and
Inverse proportion.
inverse.
Proportion.
Okay, direct means what? Inverse means what? Let us study first. Direct means, what is the meaning of direct in proportion? You know, here let's take pens and price, that is cost, total cost. That is money you have to pay. Okay, so here if there is one pen, 10 rupees. So if there are 5 pens, how many rupees it will be? 50, right? So what is happening? That is, the cost is also increasing, the number of pens is also increasing. If the number of pen decrease, cost will also decrease. Both will be same. Yes. In inverse it will be reverse. In inverse it will be what? Reverse. Yes. So if you take, there is one cake. There is one, how much? One big cake is there, and there are people. Okay.
Sir was talking.
Okay. So there are people and there is one cake is there. So if you divide that cake, right? If let us take 1 kg cake, 1 kilogram cake, 1000 gram. If there are 2 people, how many will each one get cake? 500 gram.
Half.
Half
500 grams, sir.
500 gram. If there are 4 people, how much they will get? 250 gram. Yes. 250 gram. Yes.
Sir.
So, yes. If you see here, what is happening?
Sir.
Listen.
Sir, the value.
If you see here, what is happening? If the people are increasing, the cake size is also decreasing. Less they are getting. But here in the direct, if the pens are increasing, the money is also increasing. Right? Here in inverse, if the people are increasing, the cake size is decreasing. It is inverse means reverse. Right? It will be what? Reverse. Okay? So like that example. Understand? Yes? If there is a wall.
Yes, sir.
If there is a
Sir, I
wall.
didn't understand.
Okay, if there is a wall, you have to paint it. Right? If there is a wall, you have to paint it. One person, if there is only one person, if there is only one person, he will take more days. Let's take 10 days. Right? Isn't it? If there are two people,
Sir, 5 days. 5 days.
5 days less,
Sir, 5 days.
it will take less, right? Half. So what is happening? It is decreasing. If there are more, less time. Isn't it? Right? Like that. That is the inverse.
More people, the days.
Yes, it will be less. Right? But in direct, more people means it will be more. Like that. Right? Okay now. So we will see here. Understand? So with that we will see. So in the inverse, if you multiply, the work will be same. Multiply. We have to multiply in inverse. What you have to do? You have to multiply. So 2 and 5. 2 into 5 is how much? 1000 gram. That is 1 kg. 4 into 250 is how much? 1000 gram. 150. Right? You have to multiply it here. But here we have to divide it. So how much? 10 divided by 1? 10. 50 divided by 5 is how much? 10. Like that we have to divide it. Right? So here we have to divide. In the direct proportion we have to divide. In the inverse we have to multiply. Okay na? Understand? Yes, if you see here. So 2 into 500, it will be 1000 only. 4 into 250, it will be how much? 1000. Like that. But here we have to divide it. Here 10 divided by 1, 10 answer. 50 divided by 5, answer is 10. We have to divide it. Okay? So in direct proportion we have to divide. In inverse proportion what you have to do? You have to multiply, you will get the same answer. Okay? Understand now? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Should you go to the questions now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first question. What is the first question? Find the value of p in the
Writing
following
condition.
table if vary directly means directly they will vary means we have to divide it. Direct proportion here, direct proportion what we have to do, we have to divide. So 8 divided by 12, what you have to do, 8 divided by 12 will be same, and p divided by 48 will also be same. Here same is there
Same.
with 10 answer, isn't it? So it will be what, same, both will be what, same here. Okay, so both will be same means how do we find p value? Cross multiply, right? Okay, so cross multiplication if you want to do, you can do, or shortcut we will do. So 4 how many is 48? Here 12 how many is 48? 12 4. So here also we have to multiply with 4. If you multiply with 4, what will be the answer? 8 4s are
32.
So P will be how much?
32.
32 answer. Yes. So 32 will be the answer for P. It's very easy. You have to understand first if it is direct proportion or inverse proportion. Then we have to either multiply or divide. Okay? It is direct means divide it. If it is inverse means multiply. Okay? Understand? So see here second question. So what they have given, cost of 6 apples is 90 rupees. Right? 6 apples. For 90 rupees how many apples? 6 apples.
6 apples.
So for
But for
225 they are
90
asking for 225 how many apples? For 225 how many apples? So which you have to find, how many apples? Apples you have to find. So which you have to find, you have to write second place. So the cost they have given, you write that first place. So 90 rupees how many apples? 6 apples. For 225 how many apples? Question mark. So which you have to find, write in the second place. Where you have to write, which you have to find? Yes, second place. So cross multiply now. So 90 and 225. So 225 into
So why do
6
we need to
and
why do
90
we need to always
in
write
the
the
denominator.
bottom to find the
Cancellation,
second
6 15 is 90, 15 is 225. So you will get 15 apples. Got it? Yes? Yes, what Mansa?
Sir, if why, sir, if why, what if the, will the equation, question go wrong if we write the cost and apples opposite side?
It will be difficult. So if you write here apples, if you write this side, 6 apples is 90. How many apples is? That is 225. So you have to take this and then you have to send that this side. It will be difficult. This will be one step solution. Just multiply and divide. That's it. But
Okay,
otherwise
sir.
this means it will be difficult for you. Okay? 2
Sir,
steps.
so it's a simpler form.
Simplest form. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir, got it. Yes, sir. Sir, next one is.
So see here, third question is very easy. We already did. That is, the answer will be 14 bags. Okay? Option B. The same way we have to do. Okay? Next is fourth question. I will explain you how to do. A pile of 6 identical books weighs 600 gram. How many books will weigh 2.5 kg? 2.5 kg means how many grams? Yes?
Sir, 2,500 grams.
Grams. 1 kg means 1000 gram.
1 kg
Yes.
means 1,000.
2.5 is 2500 grams. So we just have to find
25 books.
Yes.
25.
How many books they are asking? Books we have to write in this that step. Do it now. Yes.
Let's
So here fourth question is very easy, right? That is 6 identical books is 600 gram. How many books they are asking? So we have to write books at the second place. So 600 grams is how much? 6 books. 2500 grams. 2.5 kg I told. 2500 grams. How many books? Cross multiply and find the answer. Okay. Fifth question is also same. A map drawn to a scale of 1:1 1,20,000. 1 means how much? 1,20,000 on the ground. The distance between two cities A and B on the map is 5 centimeter. 1 centimeter means 1,20,000 on the ground. So 5 centimeter will be how much? We have to find it. Okay, na? That is, map will be there. Map will be smaller and real it will be big, right? Isn't it? So 1 centimeter on the map and real it will be how much centimeter? 1,20,000 centimeter, like that. 5 centimeter means on the map will be how much? Again they have given on the map 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter real it will be how much? Cross multiply and find it. Okay? Yes. What is the doubt?
Sir, what is that they gave? 1 is to 1 lakh.
1 is to 1,20,000 means 1 centimeter on the map. That's what I explained here. 1 centimeter on the map, it will be in real. It will be how much? 1,20,000 centimeter. 1,20,000 centimeter on the real. Right? Map will be smaller, just paper. But real it will be big, right? Like that. 1 centimeter on the map means 1,20,000 centimeter on the real. Okay? Ground. So 5 centimeter on the map they have given. Map 5 centimeter means how much centimeter on the ground. So you have to convert that into kilometer. First you find in the centimeter and convert it. So 12 5 is how much? 60. So it will be 6 lakh. 6 lakh means how many kilometers? 6 kilometer. Right?
6 kilometers.
So answer will be option B. Okay?
Sir?
What? So sixth question here. Okay? So P varies directly. Directly means direct proportion with Q. The value of P is 20 when Q is 2.5. When P is 20, Q is how much? 2.5. Value of P when Q is 4. Find value of P they have given. So P we have to write at the second place. Right? So P we write it here, Q we write it here. So P is 20 when 2.5. So Q is 2.5, P is 20. So when Q is 4, P we have to find it here, right? Here. So value of P when Q is 4. So Q is 4 means question mark. Now written like this. What we have to do? We have to just cross multiply, right? We will get the answer. Okay, na? Yes? Will you
Sir,
solve it?
2.5 you down it you wrote 4, sir. That is
That is Q value, right? So Q value. Q is 2.5 first time. Second time it is 4. Right? P value when 2.5 means 20. Right? And then we have to find P value when it is 4. Okay?
yes.
So cross multiply and divide it. So that is 4 into 20 divided by 2.5.
Okay, sir.
So here 4 into 20 divided by 25 into 10. Because one decimal place will go means we have to multiply with how much? Yes? One decimal place will go means we have to multiply with 10. So then what we have to do? Cancel it. So what will be the answer? 4 into 20 into 10 divided by how much? 25. So cancellation it is very easy. Right? 5 you divide, isn't it? So if you divide with 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 how many is? 5 4s are 20.
5 5 are 25.
Next 5 you divide. 5 how many is? 5 2s are 10. So what is the answer?
32.
4 into
4 into 2. 4 into 42. Sir, answer is
42. It is
32.
multiplication in between. Arey, don't take it as 42. Multiplication is there in between or not? Yes. Then I divided separate numbers. Multiplication is there in
Sir,
between.
32.
So 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay. So 7th one is a homework. Okay. Do it. So eighth question.
Sir, I did it and I
Okay.
got some answers, sir. I got 5.4 into 10, 10
Okay.
and 6 at the top.
So 2 kg of sugar cubes contains. I will tell what is the answer, but you don't have to do. Okay. So 1.2 kg is how much? So what we have to do? Here 2 kg is this much. 1.2 kg is how much? Right? So
Sir,
here
eighth
9
question
into
will
10
not
power
come
of
in
6 into 1.2
exam
divided by
also.
2. Yes. This type of question 10 power of 6 and all they will not give for you. Okay. Understand? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 6 will come here. 1 point will go away. 5. So 9 6 are how much? 45. So 4.5 into 10 power of 6 it will be. Okay. Alright. 9 6 is 54. 4.5. 5.4. Not 4.5. 5.4. 5.4 into 10 power of 6. Okay. That is the answer, but don't do. Okay.
I got correct answer.
Huh. So next is ninth question. What is the ninth question? A loaded truck travels 14 km in 25 minutes. The speed remains the same. How much far will you travel in 5 hours? So what we have to do here? Yes. So minutes is there. 5 hours means how many minutes? 5 into 24. That is how much? 120 minutes.
300.
No. Sorry. I have taken wrong. So 60. 1 hour means 60 minutes means, right?
What 300
So
minutes?
300 minutes. So we have to take 300 minutes because both will be same. Minutes. Okay. So then we have to do. Will you do homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
It's cool.
Okay, good.
It's RMS
Yes.
Titan.
Okay. So it is also same. Okay. Will you do homework? It is also same homework. Okay.
Yes, sir, will do.
Next is
Sir,
11th
today,
one.
mental ability class is that?
No. So 11th is also same. 12 women can weave 15 meters of cloth in a day. How many meters of a cloth can be worn by 20 women in a day? Right? So it will be more. Isn't it? Same. Cross multiply. Okay? Homework. Next 12th question. What is the 12th question? Swati types 600 words in 4 minutes. How much time will she take to type 3150? So homework, right? Yes? Easy questions.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So homework.
Sir, I need 5 minutes to type 3150 words.
Okay. You have to learn typing. This is a digital word. You should
Yes,
know
sir.
typing
Very fast.
word. Okay, good. So here a motorbike travels to 10 kilometers in 30 liters. How much would it travel in 7 liters? So homework. Same way, cross multiplication. Okay? Understand? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 13th is homework. Next
Yes,
is
sir.
what? 14th. 14th is also same homework. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So here what is the question? To feed a population of 20,800 quintals of wheat is required in a month. If the population after 10 years become 30,000, how much wheat will be required in a month? Same way. Okay na? Yes?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. So do it as homework. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So 15th is very easy. So let us do it here. Okay? So oranges cost 108 for 6 dozen. Okay? So in the supermarket, what is the cost of 16 oranges? 6 dozen means how much oranges? Yes? 1 dozen means 12. So total
Orange.
72 oranges. Right? Yes? So here 72 oranges is how much? 102 rupees. 108. So 16 oranges, how much?
You are taking 12, sir.
Cross multiply. Because 1 dozen. 1 dozen means how much? 12.
12, sir.
So 6 dozen means 6 12s are 72. Right? Understand? So now cross multiplication, 108 into 16 divided by 72. So if you don't multiply, also keep it as same, it will be easy. Okay, so that is 6 dozen. So here 6 dozen is 6 into 12. 1 dozen means 12. So 6 into 12 you keep it same, it will be easy to divide because this 6 cancel. So 12 how many is 108? Yes?
12 nines, 12, what? 12 eights. What?
12 nines are 108.
Sir, 12 nines.
Then what did we do
Sir,
mistake?
I am confused.
16 it is, not 6. Okay, sorry. 6 into 16, right? 108 into 16 it is. Okay, that is mistake. Okay. 12 nines are 108. Next, you divide it.
Sir, divide by 2.
So 3. 3 how many is 6? 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. After that, we can divide with which number? 2. 2 how many is 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are how much? 24. So 24 rupees is the answer. Okay na?
Easy.
Okay, easy. Right? 16 and 17 are not required. Okay. So actually 16th one fine, we'll do. So vary inversely. Inverse means I told you what will be same? We have to multiply, right? Inverse means we have to multiply. So P into Q. PQ means it is P into Q. P into Q remains constant. So answer will be option D. Understand?
Sir, option D, option D, option D, option
So
D.
17 you don't have to remember that.
Sir, option D, I told.
You will feel difficult. Okay, leave that. So 18th question. So 18th question, which of the following quantities vary inversely with each other? Inverse means opposite. So increase means decrease. Here distance traveled and cab fare. Yes, if you travel more, you have to pay more, right, to the cab or
option C.
taxi.
Sir, option
That is direct. It is direct.
Sir, option C.
Number of workers, amount of work done. If more people are there, more work, right? So it is also direct.
Sir, option C, option C.
Area of land and its cost. More land, more cost. That is direct. So answer will be number of workers and time taken to finish the job. This is inverse. So time taken means that is here what they are doing. They are building one wall. Let us consider wall. So if that is more people means time will be less. Only one wall is there. Right? So time will be how much? It will be less. So D is the answer. Okay? That is inverse proportion. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay na?
Sir,
Any
I
doubt?
didn't understand. 10th one.
Yes, which you have doubt?
10th one, sir.
10th one is very easy. So here what? I will tell how to do it. Okay? So a model ship 9 centimeter high, while the mast actual ship is 12 meter high. So 9 centimeter means how much? 12 meter. If the length of a ship is 28 meter, okay, so you do write it reverse. So that is 12 meter means 9 centimeter, 28 meter means how much? You cross multiply and do it answer. Okay? Homework. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So next is
Sir,
what?
19th is there or what?
19th you don't do, 17th you don't do, 18th is fine, I explained. Okay.
Sir,
19 is the value of x is 25 and y is 24. I told you to multiply. So here what we have to do, x into y is equal to x into y we have to do. X into y is equal to x into y. So first time x is how much? 25 into 40. Y is 40. X is 20, y is 40. Then when the value of x, when y is 20, y is 20, x we have to find it. Okay na? Y is 20 next time. X we have to find it, right? So how do? We will just send it to the other side, okay, and divide it. Understand? So here if you take this 20 to the other side, it will divide, okay.
Sir, 25.
So x is equal to 25 into 40 divided by 20. 20 2s are 40, 25 2s are 50 answer. So 50 is the answer. Understand?
Sir, don't scroll.
So next question, 20 question. So 12 pipes are required to fill a tank. There is only one tank. Alright? In 1 hour 20 minutes. How long will it take if only 10 pipes of the same type are used? So here less pipe means more time. Right? Yes? So there is one tank. If there are more pipes means less time. If there is less pipes means more time. That is inverse, right? It is inverse means what we have to do? Multiply, right? 12 pipes will take how much time? 1 hour 20 minutes. So 12 pipes
1 hour
into
20 minutes.
1 hour
1 hour
20
20 minutes.
minutes.
12 to 20 minutes.
So 10 pipes into how much? Right? You can write it as that much time, or you can take it as divided by. That is x also. Okay? How much time? So 10 pipes. So here 12 into 1 hour 20 minutes means how many minutes? Yes? 80 minutes.
80 minutes.
1 hour means 60
80
minutes. 20 minutes means 20. So 60 plus 20, 80 minutes. So divided by 10. 10 into how much? So if you take to that side, what will be the answer? 12 into 80 divided by 10. Right? This will come this side. We have to cancel the zeros first. Right? So if you cancel the zeros, 10 8s are. So 12 8s are how much? 96. 96 means 1 hour 36 minutes. Right? So answer is option.
Sir, 1 hour 36 minutes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
here if you see 21 question. A box of sweet is divided among 48 children. How many children are there? 48 children. They get 5 sweets. Right? 48 children get 5 sweets each. How many sweets would each get if the number of children is reduced by 8? Reduced by 8. Okay. So before children were how many? Yes, 48 were there. How many sweets they got? They got 5 sweets. Now reduced by 8. So reduced by 8 means how many children will be there now? Yes?
Option B.
Children will be 40. And sweets we have to find it, right? So we have to find it. We know we have to multiply it, right? Yes? So 48 into 5 is equal to, it will be 40. 40 into how much? Right? So multiply 48 and 5. And 8 if you reduce, you have to minus it, right? If you minus it, you will get 40 answer. Okay? 40 children. So we have to send it to that side and divide it, right? So what will be the answer? 48 into 5 divided by 40.
6.
So 5 how many is 40? 5 8s are 40. 8 how many is 48? 8 6 are. So how many sweets will everyone get?
Yeah.
6 sweets. Right?
6.
Yes.
Sir, I told.
Yes, that is correct. Okay, good. Understand? Okay, good. So 22 question
Sir,
if you see.
one person, one question.
Okay, that we cannot do. Time is not there. Okay, 22. So a
No,
farmer
sir,
has
no,
enough
sir.
food for 20 animals in his cattle for 6 days. how much long would the food last if there are 10 more animals? 10 more means 6 plus 10, 16 animals total. So first time, what? 20 into 6 is equal to 10 more animals. 20 plus 10, 30 animals. Now 30 animals, how much we have to do? That is 4 days. Okay, 26 the 120. If you divide with 30, you will get 4 days. Okay, so do it. Okay, homework. Next,
120 divided by
so 100 more students. 100 more students means 400 were there. 500 it will be total. Okay, you have to do like that. Understand? So homework. Next is 24. A batch of bottles were packed in 75 boxes with 36 bottles in each box. If the same batch is packed in 60 bottles in each box, how many bottles will be there? So total, if you, how many boxes will be filled? Total you find it. So there are 75 boxes with 36 bottles in each. Total will be how much? One box 75. So 36 bottles are there, right? 75 boxes are there into 36. Total it will be. So 60 bottles you want to find. So what it will be answer? So 75 into 36 is equal to 60 bottles into how much? You divide it, you will get the answer. Okay now?
Sir, 23 is homework.
24 is homework. Okay, 23 is homework.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, 22 option A is the answer.
22 na?
Sir,
Yes, 4. A is the answer. Okay. Okay, fine. So you try to do, and then 25 is also same. Okay, so assuming the number of school hours is the same, so 9 periods a day. So you try to do 25 also. 26 is also what? Same here. Wall. Okay, so try to do. If any doubt, you can ask me. 27 is also same. Okay, 28. 40 machine produce given item in 60 days. What would? Okay, same answer. 28 inverse proportion we have to multiply. 29 from a cloth of 25 meters can be cut. There are needed. Okay, try to do till which question?
Sir, till 30. Sir, till 30.
Till 30 you try to do. We will solve the 31 questions
Okay,
from
sir.
tomorrow. Okay, till 30. Okay, will you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good student. You are all good student, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good student. Okay, good.